Ethereum whales are accumulating. Do not miss this smart money setup. Welcome to today's in-depth analysis of Ethereum, where we'll be diving into the latest market trends, news, and technical analysis to help you make informed decisions about your investments. As we speak, Ethereum is trading at $2,351.35, with a 24-hour loss of 2.8% and a 7-day gain of 2.9%. The question on everyone's mind is, what's next for this cryptocurrency? In this video, we'll be exploring the high time frame analysis, order blocks, liquidity zones, fair value gaps, and more to give you a comprehensive understanding of the Ethereum market. Starting with the high time frame analysis, we can see that Ethereum has been trading within a large range between $2,000 and $2,500. The recent price action has been bearish, with a clear downtrend forming on the daily chart. However, we're also seeing some signs of bullishness, with the RSI indicator showing a potential bullish divergence. The key levels to watch on the upside are $2,427.64, which is the recent high, and $2,500, which is a psychological resistance level. On the downside, we have $2,343.44, which is the recent low, and $2,200, which is a strong support level. Moving on to order blocks, we can identify several key areas where buyers and sellers are actively trading. The first order block is between $2,300 and $2,350, where we're seeing a high level of buying activity. The second order block is between $2,400 and $2,450, where we're seeing a mix of buying and selling activity. These order blocks can help us understand where the market is likely to find support and resistance in the future. In terms of liquidity zones, we can see that there are several areas where the market is likely to find liquidity. The first liquidity zone is between $2,200 and $2,300, where we're seeing a high level of buying activity. The second liquidity zone is between $2,500 and $2,600, where we're seeing a mix of buying and selling activity. These liquidity zones can help us understand where the market is likely to find support and resistance in the future. Another important concept to consider is fair value gaps. A fair value gap is an area on the chart where the market has not traded for a significant period of time. In the case of Ethereum, we can see a fair value gap between $2,600 and $2,800. This gap is likely to be filled in the future, and it could provide a potential target for bullish traders. Moving on to the low time frame structure, we can see that Ethereum is currently trading within a smaller range between $2,300 and $2,400. The recent price action has been bearish, with a clear downtrend forming on the 4-hour chart. However, we're also seeing some signs of bullishness, with the RSI indicator showing a potential bullish divergence. The key levels to watch on the upside are $2,380 and $2,420, which are the recent highs. On the downside, we have $2,340 and $2,300, which are the recent lows. In terms of a bullish scenario, we could see Ethereum break out above $2,500 and make a run for $3,000. This would require a significant increase in buying activity, but it's possible if the market sentiment shifts in favor of the bulls. The key levels to watch on the upside are $2,600, $2,800, and $3,000, which are the potential targets for bullish traders. On the other hand, in terms of a bearish scenario, we could see Ethereum break down below $2,200 and make a run for $1,800. This would require a significant increase in selling activity, but it's possible if the market sentiment shifts in favor of the bears. The key levels to watch on the downside are $2,000, $1,800, and $1,600, which are the potential targets for bearish traders. In conclusion, Ethereum is currently trading within a complex market structure, with both bullish and bearish signals present. The key levels to watch are $2,427.64, $2,500, $2,343.44, and $2,200, which are the potential targets for traders. The market sentiment is currently in fear, with a fear and greed index of 26,100, but this could shift in favor of the bulls if the price breaks out above $2,500. As always, it's essential to do your own research and consider multiple sources before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Follow for daily Ethereum smart money analysis. Like if this was helpful.